In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export high-quality MP4 videos from Adobe Premiere Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly which settings to choose for clean, sharp results that play smoothly on most devices and platforms without bloated file sizes. Start by opening the export settings, go to File, then Export, then Media. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+M on Windows or CMD+M on Mac. This brings up the export window where all the key options live. For format, choose H.264. This outputs an .mp4 file, which offers the best balance of quality, compatibility, and manageable file sizes. It's widely accepted by sites like YouTube and works well across phones, laptops, and TVs. Next, pick a preset that matches your project. If you edited in 1080p, choose high-quality 1080p HD. If you edited in 4K, choose YouTube 2160p 4K Ultra HD. Sticking to the resolution you actually worked in helps avoid unnecessary upscaling or softening. If your footage is 4K but your timeline is 1080p, use the 1080p preset to keep exports efficient and crisp. Make sure match source is set so your export uses the same frame size and frame rate as your sequence. For HD, that's typically 1920 by 1080. For 4K, 3840 by 2160. Keep your original frame rate, whether that's 23.976, 24, 25, 30, or 60, so motion looks natural and you avoid stutter. Now set your bitrate. For 1080p, aim for 20 to 30 megabits per second. For 4K, 60 to 80 megabits per second is a solid target. Choose VBR 2-pass. Variable bitrate analyzes your video and allocates more data to complex scenes and less to simple ones. The 2-pass option takes longer to render but produces more consistent quality and often a smaller file compared to 1-pass at the same target. Under extra options, tick render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. Maximum depth helps preserve gradients and fine detail, especially with effects or color work. Maximum render quality improves scaling and overall sharpness, which is especially useful if any clips were resized in the timeline. Both options may increase export time, but the visual payoff is worth it for final deliveries. Finally, name your file clearly, choose a save location you'll remember, and click Export to render immediately. If you want to keep working or export multiple sequences, click Q instead to send the job to Media Encoder for batch exporting. That's all you need for reliable, high-quality MP4 exports. Follow these settings, and your videos will look great and play back smoothly wherever you share.